Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know how to join a Windrose server. Firstly, all you have to do is log into Server.pro and open up your server panel. Before joining a Windrose server, make sure that it is online. If the server is offline, click the start button. Then you have to wait for the server to fully boot up before continuing. Once the server has booted up, we can go ahead and open the Files tab. Then we scroll down and locate the /serverdescription.json file. Open up that file, and inside you'll find the server's invite code. Just copy that code to your clipboard so we can remember it for later. Now all you have to do is launch Windrose, and from there you can click play and then click connect to server. Then in the enter invite code field, paste the invite code you copied earlier, then click find. If your server uses a password, enter it when prompted, but then all you have to do is select connect. And that's it. You should now successfully join your Windrose server and start playing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.